Divorce over sexual incompatibility. Marriage is built on a foundation of love, trust, and shared experiences. But when couples find themselves sexually incompatible, it can create tension that seeps into every part of the relationship. This often leads spouses to consider whether continuing the marriage is truly the best option. Sexual incompatibility doesn't necessarily fit cleanly into New York's defined categories of divorce, but it is a valid reason for many couples. If you're navigating this difficult situation, consulting an experienced New York divorce lawyer can be invaluable. Legal grounds for divorce in New York. In New York, there are several legal grounds under which you can file for divorce. These include separation-based, fault-based, and no-fault divorces. Separation-based divorce requires a legally binding separation agreement or a court-ordered judicial separation. Fault-based divorce involves proving specific wrongdoing, such as abandonment or cruel and inhuman treatment. No-fault divorce is the most common route. Couples don't need to prove wrongdoing, only that the marriage has irretrievably broken down for at least 6 months. Sexual incompatibility often plays a role in no-fault divorces, where it is cited under irreconcilable differences. In rare cases, sexual refusal might constitute constructive abandonment, providing grounds for a fault-based divorce. However, most couples prefer the privacy of a no-fault filing to avoid airing intimate details in court. A law firm like Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer can help couples understand their options and choose the best legal path forward. What should you do if you and your spouse are sexually incompatible? Couples facing sexual incompatibility typically try to fix the issue through counseling or sex therapy before considering divorce. But if these attempts don't resolve the conflict, divorce may be the most practical step. In New York, divorces over sexual incompatibility can often be handled as uncontested divorces, meaning both parties cooperate to reach agreements on key issues like child custody, alimony, and property division. An experienced attorney can facilitate these agreements, ensuring a smoother process for both spouses. The law office of Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer offers compassionate guidance to couples dealing with uncontested divorces, aiming to reduce conflict and protect their clients' rights. For more complex cases, their team also handles contested divorces when cooperation breaks down. How does sexual incompatibility impact divorce? Sexual incompatibility isn't usually a direct topic in divorce court. However, it can shape the divorce process in significant ways. For instance, a lack of intimacy can impact emotional connection, leading to disputes over alimony, custody, or even the division of assets. In cases where one spouse repeatedly refuses intimacy, it might be considered constructive abandonment, which can be used as a fault-based ground for divorce. But in most cases, couples avoid discussing these details in court by filing for a no-fault divorce. Choosing the right legal approach is essential. A skilled lawyer will ensure that the process respects the privacy of both parties while advocating for fair outcomes in financial and custody matters. Ending a marriage with respect and support. Sexual incompatibility is a deeply personal issue, but it doesn't have to define your future. The team at Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer can guide you through the process of divorce with professionalism and understanding, ensuring your rights are protected. If you're considering divorce over sexual incompatibility, call Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer at 212-537-5859 or visit their office at 347 Fifth Avenue, STE 1003, New York, New York, 10016. Their experienced attorneys are here to help you take the next step toward a more fulfilling future.